6-inch white quick link. I'm going to put about 4 inches of air into the balloon. So that's about 3 strokes of the Qualitex pump. Hang on to it, don't tie it off. Take your next quick link and put about 3.5 inches of air in. So 2 strokes of the Qualitex pump. So the head wants to be quite a bit smaller than the body. And trim off the nozzles. Next, take your yellow or your orange 260 and make a bubble of about 2 to 3 fingers. We're going to be making the beak, and you're going to make 2 small loop twists of perhaps about 2 fingers, 2 to 3 fingers. So make 2 that match as best you can. We've got our little bubble there, and then we're going to do a slightly longer loop for the beak. Okay. And then you can break this off, save the rest, and tie, and that's what you've got. So take the beak and the cheeks and wrap them into the neck. There. For the feet, take another 260, and you're going to make 2 loops of about 4 or 5 fingers. And just pull the nozzle through and make another loop to match. You can break this off and tie. Next, take your black 260 with a good long tail, that's about 4 fingers or so. And we're going to wrap that into the cheeks at the neck. Give your balloon a squeeze, and you want to wrap the black 260 around the top of the head, and using that quick link tip, just bring it in from the back and wrap it round and make a pinch twist. Try and trap that quick link tail in again just to secure it some more, and then we're going to make a little small loop, 3 fingers, and just wrap that into the pinch twist at the top. Give him a little quiff, give your balloon a squeeze, and bring that 260 down back into the cheeks and wrap round. So this is what you've got at the moment. Bring your 260 round the base of the body, and you want to be able to just fit a finger in between the 260 and the body, and then again wrap this into the quick link tail, make a little tail for him, and bring the rest of your black 260 up into the neck. Now I'm fully inflated here, so I'm just going to let out a little bit of air. As I've said before, I tend not to worry too much how much air I put in to my balloons, because if you've put too much in, you can always let a little bit out. If you're not putting enough in, you can add a bit, provided you know that you've got the room to do that. So I don't worry too much, and that's what we've got so far. For the eyes, take a blue 260 and do 2 bubbles of about 2 to 3 fingers. Bring them together, wrap the nozzle round, and using that nozzle, just pinch twist those eyes. And you can break this off and tie. Then take a black 160, and we're going to do the same thing, but make 2 finger bubbles. Bring them together, twist them there, bring that nozzle, wrap it through, and then break this off, but leave a nice long tail and tie. And then take your blue eyes and just wrap the tail of that 160 through those eyeballs, and that secures it. So take those eyes and just position them on top of your penguin's beak, pull that tail through and wrap into the cheeks. If you want to at this point, you can pinch twist that bubble just to tidy up the back. And there you have a cute little penguin. Now you could leave him like this, or there are a couple of things that you can do just to enhance your sculpture. So using the little bit of scrap, 260, make a bubble of about 2 to 3 fingers, followed by a second bubble of about 4 fingers. Bring those two together and just use this little bit of balloon that's left to pinch twist those. Break this off and tie. Trim off any unsightly tails and make another one of those. And measuring about 1/3 of the way up this balloon, you want to take hold of it, pinch it there and just twist. Just give it a twist. Okay, that's what you've got. Then take your 2 pinch twists, bring them through here and just wrap them round to secure. It's got a little hand, and do the same on the other side. And there you've got a really cute little penguin.